Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 111 Chestnut. This is the Park Telegraph building. As you can see, this is a wonderful building that is in the North Beach area. Just down the street is, just a block away is the waterfront. Here's the entrance. There's two entrances. The other side does have front desk concierge door service. It is fob controlled, and then you can see there's security cameras above and nice big mirror and really a lovely entryway. You know, the mailboxes are of course there to the right as we scan around. Now there's stairs. There is a gym, fitness center, and then outdoors area as well. Nice fountain that we can show you as part of this tour. We're going to wait right here for the elevator, and then we will begin once it arrives. All right, here we are. All right. So one of the really special things about this is we're going to go to the 6th floor, hit the fob control, is this glass elevator. If you've never been in a glass elevator, this is a treat. Nice view. You can see the skyline. We're going to the 6th floor, so you start getting ocean view or the bay view right there. You can see the piers, and of course we're going to unit 602. So here's our landing. Again, some seating. Looks like a Picasso of sorts. Artwork, and here we are at the unit. The door should be open. Here we are, and look at the sun that we're greeted by. So this is a 2-bedroom property. Again, you're greeted, you walk in, and the kitchen's to the left. Now the tenant just moved out, so it may be a little messy depending on the quality of the video. So Fisher Paykel, oversized refrigerator, garbage disposal, Bosch range, microwave, and dishwasher, and of course the garbage disposal, and then lots of cabinet space. And what's nice is having a coat closet just directly next to the door. And then as we walk in, you notice that there's hardwood floors. Again, lots of sunlight. You know, they position the mirrors to really allow for even more light to come on into the property. There's a place to have your TV, or if you have on display items. Now, each bedroom is configured as a master room because each bedroom has its own bathroom attached. This one has a laundry room, washer and dryer. Turning to the right here, we have a nice big window, lots of lights, individual heating, tall ceilings, and then you get your own closet. And looking into the bathroom, tub, shower combination, tile, backsplash. Lots of accoutrements to allow for you to hang your towels or store. Going back into the living room. One of the things I try never to go to the window, but in this case I'm going to, just because I want you to appreciate the view. And I don't know if you can see that, but that is Alcatraz. So and then you can see all the boats in the harbor. Just absolutely gorgeous. And there's definitely a lot of shops and restaurants nearby. And then if you need quick access to the freeway, this is a great location as well, because you're very close to the downtown area as well as the freeway out of the city. This would be considered the primary bedroom, as it has the walk-in closet. Very spacious. You could definitely fit an oversized bed in either of the rooms. Nice customized closets, lots of hanging space and opportunities. Again, lots of mirrors, which makes the place feel very big. And here we have the double, there I am, hello, double sink and a shower in this room. Okay. I'm going to be sharing with other areas of the the building in this video, but this concludes the apartment section. If you're interested in this unit, please see the links below for direct links to the property. There'll be a showing schedule up, and we'd love to have you come by and enjoy the property like we've had. All right, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, this is Eric. I'm at Park Telegraph, and this building does not skimp on the fitness equipment. You have aerobic equipment here, and the nice thing is that you're looking out into this greenery as you're working out. There's TVs, weight machines. We have a back exercise, little kitchen, sanitation area right there, leg machines. This is all Paramount equipment, just really lovely. And then here we have more of an open area with the mats, pull-up bar, balls, and then free weights right here. So just an amazing spot. I was just talking to the fellow. This is February 2022. They do regulate access if you're concerned about the COVID. And so you talk to the front desk and the door staff right now, and they let you in. All right, thank you for watching. This is Park Telegraph and the fitness center. Hello, Eric at Park Telegraph. I'm just touring one of the outside areas. Just a lovely promenade here. Fern-lined, lots of sun coming in, sitting areas. And again, we're just adjacent to the waterfront, so there's so many places to go and enjoy just steps away from this lovely building. And then I just saw him working on it, and the fountain is working, which is just so peaceful and such a lovely aspect of the building. So anyway, great building. Come check out our 2-bedroom that we currently have, and we have multiple other properties in this building if you're interested, and we'd love to show you. All right, cheers, bye-bye.